Hello students, how are you? In the previous video, I have solved the examples of differential equation of R.D. Sharma from 15 to 20. Now in this video, I solve from 21 to 25. 1 minus x square dy plus xy dx is equal to xy square dx. Now changing both sides in the dx, we get 1 minus x square dy is equal to xy square minus xy into dx, or taking common xy we get y minus 1 dx, or if by the method of separation of variable I have discussed earlier that dy by y into y minus 1 is equal to x by 1 minus x square dx. Now integrating both sides, we get this is y minus 1 dy by y into y minus 1 is equal to half into 2x by 1 minus x square dx. You know that minus y cancelling minus y, we get only plus 1. Now separating y by y dy by y into y minus 1 minus integrating y minus 1 dy by y into y minus 1, cancelling this is y minus 1, and 1 minus x square is equal to z, then dz is equal to minus 2x dx, or we get half dz by minus dz by z. From here you get log of y minus 1 minus log y is equal to half log z. The required answer will be log y minus 1 by y is equal to minus half log z, means 1 minus x square plus log c. This is your required answer of the problem 21. Next we solve problem number 22. This is another very easy problem. You first take it in the right hand side, minus x square y tan x dy, or substituting dx by tan x and here sec square y by tan y dy, integrating this is cot x dx is equal to minus tan y means z, then dz is equal to sec square y dy, then dz by z. And this is also a homework for you. Try yourself. Putting the formula of cot x and dz by z, you will get the required answer. This is 1 plus x into 1 plus y square dx, 1 plus y into 1 plus x square dy. We take this part in the right hand side, we get 1 plus x into 1 plus y square dx is equal to minus 1 plus y into 1 plus x square dy. Now here is 1 plus x and here is 1 plus x square. Now by the method of separation of variable, we take 1 plus x square in this side and 1 plus y by 1 plus y square. Taking this, we integrate both sides. What we get here? This is dx by 1 plus x square and it is x dx by 1 plus x square. This is minus dy by 1 plus y square minus y dy by 1 plus y square. Or this is tan inverse x minus this is equal to half into 2x dx. That means plus half dz by z minus tan inverse y minus half into 2y half dz by this is du by u. You substitute here 1 plus x square is equal to z and 1 plus y square is equal to u. Then dz is equal to 2x dx and du is equal to 2y dy. After that, the required answer will be tan inverse x plus half log z plus tan inverse y plus half log u is equal to c, where c is an arbitrary constant and z means tan inverse x plus half log 1 plus x square plus tan inverse y plus half log 1 plus y square is equal to c. Number 24. Tan y dy dx is equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. Sin x plus y means sin x cos y plus cos x sin y plus sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. We get 2 sin x cos y into dx and this is tan y dy. Or tan y means tan y by cos y dy is equal to 2 sin x dx. Or this is equal to sin y by cos square y dy plus 2 minus cos x plus c. Suppose cos y is equal to z, then dz is equal to minus sin y dy. Dz is equal to minus sin y dy or minus dz by z square is equal to minus 2 cos x plus c or minus z to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 2 cos x plus c or 1 by z is equal to plus 2 cos x is equal to c. Z means 1 by cos y or sec y. Z means 1 by cos y means sec y plus 2 cos x is equal to c. This is cos x cos y dy dx is equal to minus sin x sin y. Here it is cos y by sin y dy is equal to minus sin x by cos x dx or cot y dy is equal to minus tan x dx. Integrating, we get the required answer. Or log sin x minus log sec x plus log c. Integration of tan x means log sec x, log cos x plus log c. Then your required answer will be sin x is equal to c cos x. This is sum number 25. Or log sin x minus log sec x plus log c. Integration of tan x means log sec x, or it can be written as log cos x plus log c. Then your required answer will be sin x is equal to c cos x. This is sum number 25. Next, problem number 27 is x into root over 1 minus y square into dx plus y into root over 1 minus x square into dy is equal to 0. Transferring this into right hand side, or x by 1 minus x square dx is equal to minus y by, integrating both sides into dy, you know, by the method of substitution, 1 minus x square is equal to z square minus 2x dx is equal to 2z dz. Then x dx is equal to minus z dz by z is equal to minus 1 minus y square is equal to u square minus 2y dy is equal to 2u du, or y dy is equal to minus u du by u, or minus z is equal to, this is minus and minus a plus u plus c, where, sorry, this is minus c. Take the arbitrary constant is minus c, c is an arbitrary constant. Now minus z minus u is equal to minus c, or your required answer is z plus u is equal to c, where z is equal to root over 1 minus x square plus root over 1 minus y square is equal to c is your required answer. These are very easy sum, you can do it. These are very easy sum, you can do it in your homework practice. Here y by y plus 1 is equal to e to the power x by 1 plus e to the power x dx. This is dy. Now you take 1 plus e to the power x is equal to z, then e to the power x dx is equal to dz, and this is equal to y plus 1 minus 1 by y plus 1 dy is equal to dz by z, or integration dy minus dy by y plus 1 is equal to log z plus log c, or y minus log of y plus 1 is equal to log z, means 1 plus e to the power x plus log c. where c is the arbitrary constant. This is problem number 29. Taking y plus xy dx plus x minus xy square dy. Taking common 1 y, we get 1 plus y dx, and substituting this 1 minus y square dy, or this is 1 plus x by x dx is equal to minus 1 minus y square by y dy. Integrating, we get integration dx by x plus integration dx minus dy by y plus y square by y means y dy. Solving, you get log x plus x minus log y plus y square by 2 plus c, where c is the arbitrary constant. This is your solution. And sum number 30 is, problem number 30 is dy dx is equal to 1 minus x plus y minus xy. Taking common 1 minus x plus y 1 minus x, or 1 minus x into 1 plus y dy dx, or dy by integrating, you get the result log of 1 plus y is equal to x minus x square by 2 plus c, where c is the arbitrary constant. C is the arbitrary constant. I have solved here from 21 to 30. Next video I shall solve there 31 to 38. Thank you for watching this video.